Good morning, guys. I just woke up. I don't know if I should look that side or this side. Whichever one works. Let me wake up. What it does and what is up? What is going on with my phone? Goodness me. Anyways. What it does and what is up? Welcome to my YouTube channel. It is your girl Precious and get a pressure my push 911 all day every day. If this is your first time on my channel, welcome and make yourself at home. But if you're a returning and faithful member of the Precious and welcome back. Baby, I know I'm loud, I'm so sorry. Okay, so I'll be doing in today's video I will be doing mini vloginyana or a vlogish of me going back to race. I really wanted to document this moment, because come on, who doesn't? But yeah, I'm going back to race and I really wanted to document this. So you guys are going to be going along with me back to race. For those who don't know, I am a student at Northwest University Mafikeng campus. Baloyi, please get off. Please get off my channel. Please don't lawyer me. Amen. Yeah, I am a student at the University of Northwest or Northwest University or whatever at the Mafikeng campus. So yeah, I'm going back to it today. So yeah, please go along with me. It's a bittersweet moment because I don't know. I'm happy, but I'm sad at the same time, But yeah, it's okay. It's gang. So if you haven't clicked that subscribe button as yet, please do make sure that you subscribe to my YouTube channel so that you become a permanent family member. You know the vibes. But without wasting any further time, let us go back to rains. So I wanted to take this opportunity and ask for your guys' forgiveness because I have not been consistent as always. Anyways, as you can see, a girl is taking out her bags from her room because my goodness me, Jesus. I have so many bags. Number one, as you can see, this is bag number 2 and I am already tired because I woke up really early just to sort everything out, only to find out that not everything was packed in my bags. Also, I'm using public transport. This is bag number 3. The girl is posing because why not? And I'm fetching the last bag and wow, we're gonna see how this turns out, eh? So in total I have 4 bags and I'm using public transport. So I don't know how that will turn out, Maybe batala sitting or whatever. Oh, I really don't have energy. Guys, I lost my bank card. I don't know ngiyibekephi, angazi nje ngiyibekephi. Kodwa ngiyakhumbula ngibuya eKipitech and it was in my bag and my keeper. I really don't know, but I lost it and I have to do another one, which means batlogora from my account, But guys, it's exhausting. I'm waiting for my bestie to come, but he's not coming. He's disappointing me. Yeah, but I'm even stressed now because I can't even find my ID photo I took. I can't find. Maybe it's a sign that I shouldn't go. Hey, it's a sign that I shouldn't leave because I asked for a sign when I was praying. I asked for it. Can you please show me a sign for me not to leave? Maybe these are the signs. God, have mercy. Working balls of avocado. Working balls of avocado. Okay, so I am back at race and back again with the video. We have officially landed. I actually landed yesterday. I actually got here yesterday. So yeah, you guys, I think I should give you a unfinished, not unfinished, I have furniture. I think I should give you guys a a flat tour. Is it a flat? They call it flats here, but yeah, it's a flat tour so that you guys can see where I live. You get. So the place is still dirty, but I'll clean in just a second. So this is the door. Yeah, this is the door where I enter, obviously. And then this is the sink. I still need to clean all that. And I guess this is where I put things. I don't know. And then these are someone's pots, not mine. Yeah, and these are the cupboards. I don't know if you guys can see, but we actually have like 4. This is 1, 2, 3, 4, because there are 4 people living here. And then that is the electricity thing, right? I don't know if you guys can see that. It's the electricity thing. And we also have those buckets over there. And then we have a microwave. And we actually have a 2-plate stove. See how rusty that is? Yeah, but it's okay. I don't know whose broom that is. And then we have a fridge. It's really small. We don't have the things. Oh no, we don't have them. The thing you use for putting ice and whatnot. Or is it? But we have this egg thing. Yes. Yeah, and then this is the room. This is not my room. This is someone else's room. These are 2 people's room. So 2 people share this, so that you can see the bed and the study desks, I guess. And yeah, whatever this is, a cupboard. And when you go this side, you have like 1 toilet. Alright. Yeah, good toilet. It's a toilet. You guys can see that it's a toilet. You have that thing where you put your things there. But what do you put? Toilet paper. You have your basin and the toilet. And then you have, my God, I still need to clean that also. This place is so dirty. Dirty. And then we have the thing, the bathtub. We have another toilet. And then we have another thing, another basin. And then we have a whole geyser, guys. A geyser that's inside. And then there's me, because why not? Then we have this rail thing. It's rusted, bruh. No. Yo, it's fine. I'm not complaining or anything. As long as I have a roof over my head. Anyways, Gangang, this is my room. This is what you see when you enter the room. So, this is my bed. I was trying to do something, but it didn't work out. This is my bed. My base and my matrasi. This is the cupboard, and this side is my cupboard. So this thing there, let me show you the space. Do learn what that. So this is the cockroaches here. This is my side of the thing. It's quite spacious. I don't wanna lie, but yeah, I think you can put stuff at the top there. And then we have my study desk. I don't know what the purpose of that is, but it's there. Yeah. And it's cute. I think it's gonna fall, because you see this one is straight and mine is like it's inclined. And then this is my roommate's study desk. This is her bed. This is my bed. And this is like the highlight. We have a back thingy thing, Yeah, we have a back thingy where like we can go out and enjoy ourselves here, like for a private session and stuff. They still need to come and cut the grass here. But yeah. And then for those who didn't know, these are 2 floors. So I'm at the ground floor. This is the first floor and the other one is the second floor. Yeah. That's it, guys. Let me go back inside. That is it. Thank you so much for tuning into my YouTube channel. Remember, if this is your first time on my channel, please make sure that you subscribe and you hit that notification bell so that you get notified every time I post a new video. Thank you so much to my returning subscribers and to like my new subscribers and my viewers who don't subscribe. I see you, it's fine. Let me get to cleaning. I still need to buy groceries, guys. Like, life is not fair. I still need to buy groceries, so I am going to quickly go and buy them. But I have to clean first. I don't know which one I should do. But yeah, without wasting any further time, thank you very much for tuning into this video. The next video, I think it's gonna be like a tour, where you're gonna do groceries with me or whatever. But yeah, the next video is gonna be a tour, I think, of my room, the finished version. But yeah, guys, I will see y'all in my next video. Bye.